Dee Zee makes it easy for you to prevent damage to your truck with our bed mats and tailgate mats. In fact, installing the bed mat is as easy as it gets. Simply roll out the mat so that the rubber cleats grip your truck bed. The reverse roll keeps the corners from curling up. To keep this from being the world's shortest instructional video, we'll also show you how to install the tailgate mat. It's not quite as easy because you'll need to drill several holes, and you'll want to make sure you don't drill all the way through the tailgate. But if you use the correct drill bit size and keep the mat from moving once drilling starts, you'll be fine. To help make sure you don't drill too deeply, mark the depth on your drill bit with tape. Make sure to line up the bottom of the tailgate mat with the bottom of the tailgate. Use a 9/64 bit to drill a hole in one corner. Insert a screw into the hole. Then drill the remaining holes and fasten the tailgate mat to the tailgate with the remaining screws. With this extra protection, your truck will work hard without showing it. If you have questions about adding more life to your truck, visit dz.com or call 800-779-2102.